Money feeling a little tight? Let's stretch those dollars with some smart hacks. First up, the 50-30-20 rule. Super simple. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent and groceries, 30% to wants like dining out, and 20% to savings and debt. Next, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each payday. You won't even miss that money, but your savings will grow. Ever heard of the envelope system? Use envelopes for different spending categories like food, entertainment, and gas. Once an envelope's empty, that's it for the month. Helps you stay on track and avoid overspending. Now, let's talk about subscriptions. They can sneak up on you. Review your subscriptions regularly and cancel the ones you don't use. That's instant savings. And don't forget cashback apps. A little extra money never hurts, right? Use apps to get cashback on things you're already buying. It's like getting paid to shop. Lastly, keep an eye on your credit score. A good score can save you tons on interest rates. Check it for free and make sure there are no mistakes dragging it down. So there you have it, simple hacks to boost your financial health. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. You've got this.